Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. So we are back in the car, as you can see, ready for another installment of Finding Our Forte, and I wonder where we're going. We are all packed up and we've got quite a bit of travel ahead of us, so hopefully you like the scenery, and I am excited to see what we've got in store.
So as usual, once you're riding through Atlanta, you're going to automatically hit traffic every single time.
This is
Never
Aaron's
fails.
favorite part of the trip.
I hate going through Atlanta. I'm just a big component of just not being in traffic. I hate being in traffic with a passion. So usually when we go through traffic, I'm a little irritable. But right now, Milla's driving, so I'm not as irritated, but it's annoying.
We're not even in Atlanta. We're in like the essence of Atlanta.
She's not making it any better, because once we get into Atlanta and it's traffic is like this, I'm gonna be highly upset.
But it's so pretty.
Yes.
It's so pretty. So we got to the lake. Yay!
So it's really nice.
This weekend we are spending the next 3 nights, 4 nights?
3.
3 nights at Camp Margaritaville here at Lake Lanier. So we will have all the deets down below, but we got the trailer. Sorry, the little one just threw the phone, so that's why I was looking down. We got the trailer hooked up, and so we're gonna give you a quick tour of the campsite here, and we will do a walk around so you can see where we are looking at, but it is gorgeous. So there's the fam, and we've got there's GB in the background, all set up. And then look at our view over here. I mean, we're literally steps from the lake. Now, if you guys have not looked up Lake Lanier, it is humongous. There's almost 700 miles of shoreline. There is tons of lake to explore, but it looks like it's gonna storm, so we are trying to get dinner done quickly. But if the storm passes, we will probably do a walk around here so you can at least see the little spot that we are camped out in and get a look of some of the other rigs that are out here.
Yeah, there's a whole lot. Fifth wheels, travel trailers, vans, we got buses.
We got A's, B's. I don't think I've seen a Class C.
No, I haven't seen one yet.
I don't think I've seen a Class C up here.
We also haven't left our site yet, so because we are setting up. So we have a whole bunch of other stuff to see. We're going to take you on a little tour of Camp Margaritaville. We are stuck in some tornado here, and we're in the bathroom. It's a whole bunch of us. Yes. It's a tornado. And we're here in the bathroom.
So we're wrapping up night 1 at Camp Margaritaville, and
it was eventful.
It was eventful. We had a full-on tornado come through.
Yep.
Like sirens, shelter, someone's poor camper got totaled, but luckily I don't think anybody was hurt. Like,
yeah,
wow.
They were just pulling in action when it happened, so
yeah.
They luckily they weren't there like 15-20 minutes earlier.
It was crazy. It was crazy. So when the sun comes up tomorrow, we will walk around and show you a little bit of the leftovers, but thankfully Nobody was hurt. But we are going to step aside and show you this beautiful sunset we've got going on. So literally the calm after the storm. So look at this. I mean, gorgeous.
So apparently everything died down. It's still raining. Make y'all get a peek of what just happened right by our trailer. So this is the tree that fell right next to our camper. So luckily that didn't hit our stuff, but something happened down at the bottom. Definitely got somebody else's rig, and it sucks. But down there, the tree fell. The tree fell, took the whole thing out.
Alright, so we are ending our first evening at Camp Margaritaville, and we had a tornado, so more to come.
Yep.
Now this is what I call free fun. So like we said, we had rolling storms last night, and the benefit of rain is free swimming pools. After letting the kids splash around for a bit, we decided to take a walk and see the aftermath of the storms that came through the night before.
Camp Margaritaville RV Resort at Lake Lanier is a popular destination for outdoor activities and recreational opportunities. Water sports. Lake Lanier offers opportunities for boating, jet skiing, kayaking, paddleboarding, and fishing. You may want to rent watercraft, or you can bring your own. Swimming. Enjoy swimming in Lake Lanier's clean and refreshing waters. Many campsites and resorts have private beaches for guests. They also have a water park where you can enjoy the fun all day. Hiking. Explore the surrounding nature and trails. The Lake Lanier area has scenic hiking paths suitable for all skill levels. Picnicking. Pack a picnic and enjoy a relaxing day outdoors with friends and family. Campfires and s'mores. If the campsite permits, have a traditional campfire experience and make s'mores under the starry night skies. Entertainment. For entertainment, they have live music, arcades, karaoke nights, or other opportunities and entertainment options that may be offered at the campsite or nearby venues. Outdoor games. Bring along outdoor games like volleyball, frisbee, or cornhole for some friendly competition. Lake Lanier has some islands accessible by boat, such as a popular Sunset Cove Island. You can explore and have many adventures. Waterside dining. Seek outside lake restaurants that offer a relaxing dining experience with beautiful views. And when all else fails, you can watch the sunset. Witness some breathtaking sunset views over the Lake Lanier, a perfect way to end your day.
Alright guys, so that wraps up our time here at Camp Margaritaville here at Lake Lanier, Georgia. Hope you guys loved it as much as we did, and hope you guys come to visit soon.